Berlin's history dates back to the 13th century, but it truly rose to prominence in the 18th and 19th centuries as the capital of Prussia and later the German Empire. By the early 20th century, it was a hub of art, science, and politics. However, the city was dramatically shaped by World War II, leaving much of it in ruins. After the war, Berlin became the epicenter of Cold War tensions, divided into East and West by the Berlin Wall from 1961 to 1989. This division created two distinct cultures within one city, one under Western democracy and the other under Soviet rule. The fall of the wall in 1989 marked a powerful moment of reunification, turning Berlin into a symbol of freedom and resilience. Today, Berlin is a vibrant, multicultural metropolis where history and modernity coexist. It's known for its eclectic art scene, legendary nightlife, historical landmarks, and innovative culture. From Grand Prussian palaces to war relics, the city tells a story at every corner. It's a place where the past is remembered, but the future is constantly being shaped. Let's take a look at some of the must-see places you can visit in Berlin. 1. East Side. Berlin's open-air art museum. This stretch of the Berlin Wall is covered in stunning graffiti, each telling a story of freedom, unity, and creativity. It's a must-see for art lovers and history buffs alike. Take your time walking the 1.3 kilometers stretch and admire works from artists around the world. 2. Mauerpark. Flea markets, street performers, and the famous Bear Pit karaoke. This is the ultimate Berlin weekend experience. You can find unique souvenirs, vintage clothes, and enjoy the lively atmosphere. Don't forget to grab a snack from one of the many food stands. 3. Tempelhofer Feld. Once an airport, now a massive public park. Cycle down a real runway or just chill with friends. This place is perfect for picnics, rollerblading, and even kite surfing. A local favorite for summer afternoons. 4. Charlottenburg Palace. Step into the royal past at this magnificent Baroque palace. Explore the lavish rooms filled with opulent decor and historical artifacts, and don't forget the stunning gardens. A fantastic spot for history enthusiasts and architecture lovers. 5. Berliner Unterwelten. Explore Berlin's secret underground, hidden bunkers, tunnels, and Cold War escape routes. A history lesson like no other that takes you deep beneath the city's streets, revealing stories of war, espionage, and survival. 6. Hackisch Hofe. 9 interconnected courtyards filled with art, boutiques, and cafes. Perfect for an afternoon wander. You'll find unique local designs, small galleries, and cozy coffee spots. Great for those who love hidden gems and creative spaces. 7. Treptower Park. A peaceful riverside park with a stunning Soviet War memorial, ideal for a relaxed stroll. Great for jogging, boat rides, or just enjoying the serene landscapes. Pack a picnic and soak in the history. 8. Marktthal Noon. Foodies, this one's for you. From street food to local delicacies, this market is a must-visit. Try the international flavors on offer, from traditional German sausages to exotic dishes. Be sure to visit on Street Food Thursday for a lively experience. 9. Badeschiff. A swimming pool in the river? Yep, the perfect spot to cool off in summer. Lounge on the deck with a cocktail and soak up the Berlin sun. At night, it transforms into a vibrant party venue. 10. Victoria Park. A hidden gem with a mini waterfall and one of the best views in Berlin. A great place for a picnic or a romantic sunset view. Climb to the top of the hill for an unforgettable panorama of the city. 11. Museum Island. A UNESCO World Heritage Site packed with 5 world-class museums. Art, history, and culture overload. Spend an entire day exploring priceless artifacts and masterpieces, from ancient Egypt to 19th century European art. 12. DDR Museum. Ever wondered what life was like in East Berlin? This interactive museum puts you in the shoes of a DDR citizen. Experience life behind the Iron Curtain in an immersive way, from driving a Trabant to exploring a reconstructed East German apartment. 13. Berliner Dom. Berlin's most iconic cathedral. Climb to the top for breathtaking views of the city. The interior is equally impressive with intricate artwork and grand architecture. Don't miss the crypt below. 14. Holocaust Memorial. a powerful tribute to the victims of the Holocaust. A place of reflection and remembrance. The abstract design invites visitors to walk through the uneven stone paths and contemplate history. 15. Tiergarten. Berlin's biggest park. Whether you're jogging, biking, or just relaxing, this is the perfect escape. Visit the Victory Column for a panoramic city view, or just enjoy nature in the heart of the city. 16. Potsdamer Platz. Once divided by the Berlin Wall, now a bustling hub of modern architecture and entertainment. Great for shopping, dining, and catching the latest movies. A symbol of Berlin's post-war rebirth. 17. Gendarmenmarkt. Berlin's most beautiful square, home to the German and French cathedrals and the concert house. A lovely spot for a coffee break while admiring the historic architecture. Especially magical in winter when the Christmas market takes over. 18. Oberbaum Bridge. A stunning bridge connecting East and West Berlin, offering some of the best city views. A great photo spot, especially at sunset. It's also a symbol of Berlin's reunification. 19. Fernsehturm TV Tower. Berlin's tallest building. Head to the top for a 360-degree view of the city. Enjoy a meal at the revolving restaurant for a unique dining experience with a view. 20. Kaiser Wilhelm Memorial Church. A striking contrast between old and new, this war-damaged church is a symbol of Berlin's resilience. The interior features impressive stained glass windows. 21. Pergamon Museum. Home to the spectacular Pergamon altar and the stunning Ishtar Gate. A must for history lovers. The intricate artifacts transport you back to ancient civilizations. 22. Checkpoint Charlie. The most famous Cold War border crossing, complete with a fascinating museum. Learn about the dramatic escape attempts from East to West Berlin. 23. Spree River Cruise. See Berlin from a whole new perspective with a scenic boat tour along the Spree. A relaxing way to take in the city's historic and modern skyline. 24. Brandenburg Gate. The ultimate Berlin landmark. A symbol of unity and history, standing tall since the 18th century. A must-visit for first-time travelers. 25. Alexanderplatz. The beating heart of Berlin. From shopping to street performances, this square is always buzzing. Perfect for people watching and soaking in Berlin's energy. 26. Berlin Botanical Garden. Escape the city and explore one of the largest and most impressive botanical gardens in the world. From tropical greenhouses to serene Japanese gardens, this place is a paradise for nature lovers. 27. Rajlande. A former industrial complex turned into an alternative cultural hub. Rajlande is packed with street art, music venues, food trucks, and bars. Perfect for a taste of Berlin's underground scene. 28. Teufelsberg. A hill made of war rubble, topped with a mysterious abandoned spy station. Climb up for an eerie yet fascinating Cold War experience and breathtaking panoramic views of Berlin. 29. Jewish Museum Berlin. One of Berlin's most significant museums, offering a deep dive into Jewish history and culture. The architecture itself is a work of art, designed to evoke emotion and reflection. 30. Sanssouci Palace, Potsdam. Technically outside Berlin, but too stunning to miss. This former royal retreat of Frederick the Great is filled with opulent rooms and beautiful gardens. A perfect day trip from Berlin. And that's a wrap on Berlin's must-visit spots. Which one is your favorite? Or did we miss a hidden gem? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic travel adventures. Until next time, Auf Wiedersehen from Berlin.